Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of vertical alignment. Question is given as what will be the compensated gradient if ruling gradient is 6% on a horizontal curve of radius 60 meter. Now we have to calculate the value of compensated gradient. In the question, radius is given as 60 meter and ruling gradient is given as 6%. Now we have to calculate the grade compensation. Grade compensation will be equals to 30 plus R upon R. That will be the formula of grade compensation, and it will be equals to 30 plus 60 upon 60. On solving this, we will get the value as 1.5%. That will be the grade compensation. Now we have to calculate the maximum grade compensation. And it will be equals to 75 upon R. Now the value of R is already given in the question, that is 60. On solving this, we will get the value as 1.25%. Now we have to calculate the value of compensated gradient. And it will be equals to ruling gradient minus grade compensation. Now ruling gradient is given as 6% and grade compensation will be the minimum of these two values, that is 1.5% and 1.25%. So the minimum value will be equals to 1.25%. On solving this, we will get the value as 4.75%. That will be the compensated gradient of this question, which will be equals to 4.75%. That is all about this question. Thank you, students.